we have 1 more minute of playtime, and then it's gonna be time to clean up all the toys.
Yay! But I don't want to clean up the dollies.
Well, we have to clean up the toys because we're gonna get in the car, and we have to go back to Grandpa's house. Mary and Ella spend the night there. It's getting late.
Yeah, it's getting late.
Yeah.
Late.
But we have to clean up Aunt Steffi's house. We can't leave it a messy mess. No, we have to clean it clean.
Clean up, clean.
Clean.
But we can still play.
Clean it clean. I love you, sweetheart.
But we can still play.
You can play the cleanup game.
Yeah.
Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody, do your
Not the dollies.
Yes, everything's gonna have to get cleaned up.
Not the dollies.
Well, you can clean up the puzzle if you want instead.
We can clean up the puzzle. Just the puzzle.
Okay, let's clean the puzzles first.
Okay.
Puzzle pieces, clean them up, clean them up.
Clean them up. Clean puzzle.
Riley too, Riley too.
I want to.
I don't think Riley knows how to do puzzles.
I do.
She nuh-uh.
Yeah, I do.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
I've never seen you do it. I don't believe it.
Here, Ella.
Only Mary knows how to do a puzzle.
Me too. I love to do it.
Oh, she does know how to do it too. There's more than that one. Or
Yeah.
you only know how to do an animal puzzle. You don't know how to do a fruit puzzle or...
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Where is the puzzle?
Look on the couch. Oh, up on the couch. There we go.